Vattuniemenkatu 4 staircase D, and the date is the 26th of November 2020. We're probably gonna get into all 5 staircases, but let's see.
Yeah.
We are in Vattuniemen, Halonäs, Lauttasaari, Tromsø, Helsinki, Helsingfors, Finland. It looks like all the 5 elevators are still original here. The capacity is 4 persons or 325 grams, made by ValmetSchlieren. Amazing. I like the smell here. And it was built in 1975 actually, yes. And it has 7 floors and the serial number is ES4119 and it's turning 45 years old this year in 2020. And it's going to be inspected in 2022. It even has memory.
Yeah.
Let's see, maybe it has full memory as well. Yes, probably. But because there are 5 of them, maybe 1 rad would be enough per elevator just to save time.
Yeah.
Because they are a bit slow. Oh wait, I'm not even filming.
No.
Okay, today is the 26th of November 2020. I needed to start now. I noticed that I didn't film it, but this is on Vattuniemenkatu 4, Halonäsgatan, staircase D, in Vattuniemi, Halonäs, Lauttasaari, Tromsø, Helsinki, Helsingfors, Finland. Yeah, still one on the right because of that.
Yeah.
And it was built in 1975 by ValmetSchlieren, turning 45 years old this year in 2020. The serial number is VS4119 and it's going to be inspected in 2022.
Spektit kiva, jos pitää nyt meidän temppaikki on.
Proper maintenance.
Yeah.
Now take a look at this button. It says Hissi on it, but someone has tried to tear the last letter I away so that it would look like it's only in Swedish. Hiss.
That's
That's it.